Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about a brand new eyeliner from L'Oreal, and it's called Lash Paradise Voluminous eyeliner. That's how the tube looks like. I got it from Ulta for around like $9 or $10. Price may vary depending upon where you are picking it up, and it has like two shades. One is like rose gold, more metallic one, and the other one is black. So I picked the black one up because that's what I'm gonna use more, so I wanted to get it, and it's like amazing. I have used it a couple of times before filming this video and I absolutely loved it. So now, without wasting much time, I'll just show the up close view of the tube, the tip and everything. So guys, that's how the packaging looks like. It's called Voluminous slash Paradise eyeliner. The shade I got is black, and on the packaging it says the tip is like flexible and it's a waterproof formula, and it has like high shine. At the back of it you can see few more details which says like it lasts up to 12 hours, it's smudge resistant and suitable for contact lens wearers. So that's how the packaging looks like. Now here is the eyeliner itself, and that's how the tube looks like. The top is like rose gold and it has this pretty cylindrical shape. You can hold it better this way, and yeah, that's how the tube looks like. And here's the bottom. I think there's a shade name. Yeah, you can see the shade name right there. And that's how the tip looks like. You can see here's the up close view of the tip. It's a felt tip. So here's the tip, and I'll show you how it applies. You can see, oh my god, that's so smooth and it's so pigmented. It glides on, like it literally glides on your skin. So that's how the eyeliner looks like, and it's really smooth. The tip is gliding on really nicely, and you can see there's a bend to it. So it's quite like hybrid between felt tip and brush tip. So guys, you saw the up close view of the tip and the tube. You saw the tip, it's amazing, and you saw the pigmentation too. I'll swatch it live in front of you guys. Oh my god, like see how pigmented it is, and it's just one swipe. The tip barely touches your skin and you can't even feel it. And as I told you in the clip, it's a mix between the brush tip and the felt tip. Like you can see it's little more flexible than regular felt tips, so it's more like spongy tip. And I never had problem applying my eyeliner with this tip. Like I just used it 2 times, and both the times it was like easy peasy. I'm not like very professional when it comes to eyeliners. I face difficulty doing my wing liner, but with this eyeliner I was able to do my liner properly. So now I would like you to see how I do my eyeliner using this product. So you need to shake this bottle. It has like metallic ball in it, so which it makes the formula better. And now I'll be starting with my eyeliner. Guys, most of the time whenever I do my eyeliner, I do like I stamp it on my eye and then I drag it a little bit. So both ways this thing is working for me. So you can stamp it or you can like actually line your eye. It's just that this tip dries out and you have to dip it back in to get more product out. So with my other eyeliners, sometimes I do not need to dip this thing back in, but then I have problem of excessive eyeliner. So like this thing is in between, like you have to dip it back and forth, but you don't have chances of messing it up because it's like not too much product on the tip. So guys, that's how my eyeliner looks like. Now I'll be finishing my other eye and I'll be right back with you guys. Welcome back guys, and that's how my eyeliner looks like. You can see it's not totally matte or not like very glossy. It's something in between and I really like the way it looks. It looks really natural, and the other day I wore it for like 8 or 9 hours. It was hot, it was humid, and this thing lasted me for a whole day. It didn't bleed or like, you know, rubbed off or anything like that. So and it's really pigmented. So guys, let's talk about the tip of this eyeliner. I think it's more of a hybrid between a brush and a felt tip. So it has flexibility of brush, but it has control of felt. So that's how it is. I mean, in my opinion, people who are like perfectionist in applying their eyeliner, they won't like this tip a lot because you have to do more work, because you have to dip this tip a lot more frequently into the pot than the regular brush tip, because it holds little product and then you cannot go like halfway into the bottle. You have to go all the way in to pick up the product. So sometimes the tip may look like it's dry and you're just dragging the dry tip, but if you dip it all the way in, you can get good amount of product out. And people who are new to eyeliner, this is like a good product for them, because they are not like, you know, messing up with a lot of products. So you get a controlled amount of product out from this tip, and then you can like slowly build your eyeliner up. You have a lot of control, but the process would be little slower, so you have to build your eyeliner little by little. So that's what I said, like if you are professional, you are good at your eyeliner, you can like apply your eyeliner with different tips. This might seem little bit of a hassle for you because yeah, brush tips are generally quicker, but they have like lot less control, but this thing gives you more control over your liner, but again it's more of a hassle. But formula wise, I just loved it. I love the tip too. Like, so guys, those were my opinion on this products. I hope it will help you make your decision, and please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and if you have any specific video requests, put them in the comment box below and I'll try to do a video. And that was all. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.